Hi all, this is Penny from Penny Lane Journals. I'm back today to show you 3 of my new nature journals in a bag. One is Nature Ruffle, Nature in Purple, and Nature with a Tassel. They're 5 3/4 inches by 7.5 inches. They have 9 to 10 ephemera in each one of the front pockets. They're 26, the journals inside are 26 pages each. And they each have a pretty little beaded dangle on the front. I'll go through each one separately, and then of course these will be listed in my Etsy shop in the next couple of days. And if you're trying to access my Etsy shop, it is Penny Lane Journals, all one word, but the P is P, L, and J are capitalized or uppercase. Okay? And please just shoot me a quick question if you have one. Okay, let's look at the journal in a bag with a ruffle. You can see that each one of these products has a bag in the front, a pocket in the front with lots of ephemera, and then there's a bag that the whole thing is made out of, and inside of it is a journal. And I did make these 3 with nature in mind. So it has a nice little ruffle with some rickrack decorating that. And then inside the pocket, you have a little journaling card, a tag, a little booklet. Well, it's even more than a booklet. It's folded. This is a little envelope. And another little booklet. Little journaling card. Lots of, it's funny because you don't think of it as having lots of journaling space, except that there is because of all of the surfaces that are open to for writing. The other opportunity here for anyone who cares to purchase these is that you have lots of opportunity to use this ephemera, these tags and cards inside the journal that I'll show you. All right, so then, and there's this cute little bead. And the journal inside. This is made with a monoprinted paper and then a cutout. And inside, pockets, another pocket with a card, a fabric flap, tiny one, secret messages. And this is a monoprint, done with a leaf, of course. I forget what kind of leaf that is. Pretty, some of Tim Holtz's tissue. And the word says exquisite. Nature is exquisite, don't you think? And inside this belly band, there are 2 little booklets. Some stenciling, a fabric strip, and then an Edith Holden page for the center. These journals are 1 signature. Pretty birdie. And then inside that tuck is a journaling card. card. Pretty stamp. That same paper, printed paper, and another fabric flip. I like the fabric flips because it's another opportunity to add color and texture, more interest. Some Edith Holden. Pretty botanical. And this is a note card, and then inside of it is another note card to journal on. So as you can see, there's lots of places for record keeping. Now, it can be writing, it can be photos, it can be favorite magazine pages. There's lots of opportunity to keep those things that you treasure. Okay, so the same construction, that is, pocket in the front, ephemera, and then a journal inside. This has a pretty tassel on it and a bead dangle. And then inside the pocket, you have lots of tags. This is the little envelope. Yellow. There it comes. I like this one with the birds and the fabric. Little booklet. Pretty tag. Journal card. Another journal card. Tag. And the same little booklets. And as I said, these are great for using inside your journal because you see, these are so pretty. These covers are so pretty even without the ephemera, or you could, you know, keep one in there just for show. Alrighty, and here we go with another monoprinted cover. Card. And you see so many of these pages are with open spaces to record on or to use the ephemera from the front pocket in. Pretty bird. Excuse me for taking. I think I skipped a page. Yep. Fabric flap and little birdie. Pretty, that tissue paper is so pretty. And I love this paper too that I get online that's all these different leaves. And it offers lots of texture and interest. Like that stencil. Here's an Edith Holden page for the center page. Can't beat the beauty of her flower pictures. Card. There's that pretty stamp again. Mono printing. This came from, might have even come from an Edith Holden book. Love that stamp also. That's a stencil. And then inside this card on the last page, cute little piece of paper for an open up. And of course, you can open it all the way to have more journaling space. And then that's the end of that So your journal goes in here. Your ephemera is tucked in the pocket. And the last one is Nature in Purple. I just loved this scrapbook paper. And the ruffle and lace went so beautifully on it. You know, I forgot to show you the back of these with the tassel one. There's the pretty back. And with the ruffle one, there's a pretty back. Isn't that nice? And with the purple, here's the back. Okay, so, oops, got my bangle stuck in my cloth. There it is. Pretty bead bangle. And your ephemera out of your pocket. I like this one. Journaling card. A tag done with the same paper that's on the back. Dirty booklet. A tag. Another tag. Not a tag. Card. This is a card. And then a little booklet. Love these envelopes. It has a little place to fold down to close it. Another booklet. And this is a writing pad. And I just thought that this card is so pretty with the purple that I thought it would go well with the purple book. Purple journal. Purple journal in a bag. And journal in a bag. Here's your journal. Journaling card. It's a tuck and a card inside. Love these prints. And this is a book page pocket. A little card inside. A pretty tissue paper with Believe on muslin. There's your fabric flip. Pretty sticker. Edith Holden is the center. Amazing foxglove. Imagine. Seek joy. I like to combine things in collages. I think it makes for such a nice, peaceful look. Your stamp, that wonderful stamp. Birdie. Live for today. Yes, sir. Little belly band. Fabric flip. And a tag in a pocket. And your journal slips back in. And your ephemera slips back in the pocket. Beautiful in itself. And there you have it. Nature in Purple. Nature Ruffle. And Nature with a Tassel. They'll be in my Etsy shop. I thank you so much for spending part of your day with me today. I really do appreciate it. I know your time is very precious. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.